Google just built the first phone that feels less like a device and more like an AI co-pilot, and it could leave Apple and Samsung scrambling. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, August 21st, 2026. In tech news today, Google just launched the Pixel 11 Pro Fold. And this isn't just another foldable. It ships with Rambler, a voice dictation tool, and a large screen agent control interface powered by Gemini. For AI builders and power users, those two features alone put it ahead of Apple and Samsung. This is Google betting its hardware future on AI-first workflows. Also from the world of AI finance, Anthropic has confidentially filed for an IPO, and they're not thinking small. Sources say they expect to match or exceed SpaceX's record-breaking raise of $86 billion. That would make it one of the largest IPOs in history. This signals that public markets are ready to bet big on frontier AI companies, and Anthropic is first in line. In AI infrastructure news, the era of throwing compute at every problem is ending. Volter's latest research shows teams that shift to efficiency-first AI strategies are seeing 14 times higher performance and more than 50% cost reductions. As energy costs and hardware limits bite, the next wave of AI winners won't be the biggest spenders. They'll be the smartest ones. In AI policy and society news, a stark warning is gaining momentum. Economists and hedge fund leaders are saying AI isn't closing the wealth gap, it's widening it. The benefits are flowing to business owners in high-income metros while workers in rural communities fall further behind. Without real safeguards, AI could become the most powerful inequality engine in modern economic history. Also in AI Tools NewsRamp, known as a fintech company, just launched its own AI model router called Router. It's available via API and lets teams seamlessly switch between models from OpenAI, Anthropic, DeepSeek, xAI, and more. When a payments company starts building AI infrastructure layers, it tells you the model routing trend has officially gone mainstream. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about Google just built first phone. Feels less in the comments. Give this video a like. And hit subscribe today so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.